Hey guys, it's Stephanie here. I am with Lenny and we wanted to show you how we did the walls. So we ended up using 1x4 planks for our walls instead of one large sheet. We decided it would be easier to use the slats basically instead of having one big piece because of how rounded the walls are. You guys have heard me talk about it before. Lenny is curved. Alright, curved and beautiful. So we used 1x4s to get that nice curve. Tell you the truth, I don't know how much difference it made. I think it might have taken more time. But it looks amazing. We still had to end up shaving some stuff off the backs of pieces of wood to make them fit. And you know, it really has been a long process. Probably one of the longest things we've had to do in the van. And that's all thanks to Chris. One other super cool thing Chris did in our van was he made these awesome window boxes. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but they have these really great pockets that go down into the window, and they have a nice beautiful triangle. He finished them off so well. Because we have a cargo van, we have this area at the top that is unfinished, so we decided to make it into a bookshelf, and this is how it turned out. It was amazing. And last but not least was the back. Now the back took some extra work. We had to specifically go in, you can see here, and make very precise cuts just to make that work on the top. Chris did so much work having to drill through the metal and just make it all really even. But he even went so far as to make these beautiful curves at the top, which you can see here he's using a handsaw to do at the beginning, and then he ends up using a sander. But look how awesome that turned out. There you guys have it. It's how we did our walls. If you have any questions, please leave your comments in the comment section below and give us a like if you liked what we're doing. Next week, we're going to be showing you the ceiling, how we're going to do the ceiling, but also we have to cut the hole in the ceiling. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. See you!